What's going on, everybody? Wade here with Zimco Instrumentation. And today, I want to introduce you to the newest member of our pump family, the Graco Electric Operated Double Diaphragm Pump, or as we like to call it, the QUANTM. Now, the QUANTM isn't just another electric pump. It's a game changer. Its revolutionary motor is going to keep your costs down while making sure your process stays online. It can handle just about any fluid application you throw at it, and it's a drop-in replacement for almost any existing pump and motor on site. The motor itself comes pre-wired from the factory for quick installation on site, and the 30 gallon per minute option is available with a 120 volt single phase, while the 80 gallon per minute and 120 gallon per minute are available with a 240 volt three-phase motor. But enough of me talking about it. Let's turn this thing on and see how it works.
The Graco QUANTM allows the user to set pressure and flow directly from the dial on the flux core motor. This motor is of a modular design and allows the user to easily remove it from the pump should any maintenance be required. The QUANTM comes with a wide variety of construction materials for its internal components. This allows for maximum compatibility with your process, and the double diaphragm design makes pumping even the most viscous fluids simple. The helical driveshaft design, paired with the high torque motor, means the QUANTM does not need an outdated gearbox, which are prone to failures and extensive maintenance. The driveshaft does not require grease, which means your operators can set it and forget it.
Well, there you have it. The QUANTM was designed and built to be easily installed, operated, and maintained by anyone in your facility. Not to mention, the small footprint allows you to install it just about anywhere in a facility, and it also makes it cost effective. Now, if you want to learn how to bring the industry of tomorrow into your facility today, give us a call at Zimco Instrumentation, 403-253-8320, and ask one of our pump experts about the QUANTM and how we can help you with it today. Thanks so much, everybody.